Hey, real quick, twin, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. First of all, why the fuck ain't nobody tell me Belly Gang Kush was that hard? Man, hey, no bullshit. Hey, home sound like Jeezy. No cap. Like, I hate to compare and contrast, twin. And I hate to say a nigga sound like another nigga. But he, like, when I say sound like Jeezy, I mean, like, he is hard as Jeezy. Man, this shit hard as fuck. And then, when you listen to the shit, twin, do not have your car bass all the way up and volume on 100. If you don't got no 20s in your shit, your fucking speaker is going to blow. I just had to turn my shit down. My shit got to burn. I almost popped my shit. Let me show y'all how this shit sound. I said Jeezy, I might have meant T.I. This bitch go stupid. Ooh, you break, you buy. Yeah. Hey, that nigga go crazy.